everyone, it's Amy. Welcome to my channel. Today I just got my ButcherBox order. This is my second order that I've gotten from the ButcherBox, and this should contain my Thanksgiving turkey in it. If you're not familiar with ButcherBox, they are a meat and seafood company that specializes in grass-fed meats. Believe in better. I love that. This is my second order from them. I have a link to my first unboxing in the description down below. I changed the contents of what I got from them this time based on last time. And I had some add-ons, and I also have some things that they gave me because I complained that are supposed to be in here too. The reason I like organic and grass-fed meat is because it's better for you. Conventional raised cattle, pigs, chickens, their feed oftentimes has antibiotics and growth hormones and other funky things, also GMO grain. Some of those things have been linked to cancer. Also, it can interfere with your hormones, and that can affect lots of things, including weight gain and weight loss. For me, the secret sauce in losing weight was actually eating clean. And by clean, I mean eating organic and clean meats, unprocessed as possible. And that's really the game changer for me. So let's get this box open and see what's inside. This is what it looks like when you open up the box. And then you can lift this and it explains their eco-friendly promise. So this is exciting. This is the first time I've ordered a Thanksgiving turkey. Boneless pork chops. These we loved. Look at the size, the thickness of these. We love these. So what I did is I have the subscription that's $149. You can select what goes into the box. And what I did is I selected 3 pork chops. This is one. And there's 2 pork chops on each side of this. So I selected 3 of these. So we're gonna find 3 of those in the box. These are honestly like the best pork chops I've ever had. So if you're a pork chop fan, I highly recommend getting your pork from the ButcherBox. Another thing that I included in my $149 was a whole chicken, because I know I can make soup with this. And if you've watched my channel, you know that I have a turkey soup video and a chicken soup video. If you're interested in content like this, be sure to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button and then hit the bell icon right next to it, as then you'll never miss one of my videos. So this is a whole chicken, and this is organic whole chicken. It is 3.74 pounds. Now the other thing I had included in this order were 2 scallops. This is part of my $149. And these are really great scallops. We love them. They're clean. They taste like the sea. And on the back, they have a sticker that explains species, where they came from, which is the Georges Bank, which is a prime fishing ground off the coast of Massachusetts. And they were caught by the Warrior. That's the name of the fishing vessel that caught these. So the Warrior caught these on October 18th. And I've never seen any other company put this much detail into packaged scallops. I love that. And these were also from the same fishing vessel, the Warrior. If you work on the Warrior, hi, thanks for catching my scallop. Now, ground beef, this is 85% lean, 15% fat ground beef. And I actually really liked the ground beef from the ButcherBox. I had my apprehensions about it because I'm not really a fan of some of the other beef from the ButcherBox because I just don't like the flavor. This was good. And I got 2 pounds of ground beef in every order for free. That was part of the incentive when I joined. So it's a good thing I like it because I'm going to keep getting it. Ground turkey. And this is antibiotic free, all vegetable diet, no preservatives, ground turkey. I ordered this additional some lobster. And this is wild cold cracked lobster. I got this because I like lobster and they had it in stock. This does not have the same level of detail that the sea scallops do on it. As a matter of fact, it doesn't have anything about where it came from. But the Butcher Box is out of Boston, Mass. So I imagine it's local, and it does say product of the US, so it's not Canadian lobster. Up in Maine, a lot of lobster actually came from Canada. It's weird, right? This is thick bacon. I don't know if you can see how thick that is. But I got this because it's something they don't have all the time, and they had it, and this is no sugar added, uncured, thick cut applewood smoked bacon. It's certified by American Humane, crate-free pigs, Whole30 approved, no nitrates or nitrates added, minimally processed. And that's important because I was listening to Dr. Radio the other day because, yeah, I do that. One of the doctors was saying that bacon and other processed meats is actually classified as a carcinogen, a level 1 carcinogen, if I'm remembering correctly. So it's important that you know your food and read the labels. And the ingredients in here are pork raised without antibiotics, water, sea salt, and cultured celery powder. And the cultured celery powder is in place of nitrates or nitrates because those occur naturally in celery. So rather than being a chemical nitrate or nitrate, they're using celery powder, which it occurs naturally. And then I got some bacon, some more bacon. This is the regular thin cut bacon. And this was a member deal. It's an add-on, and I got 5 packages for $25. Now, if you were to go to Trader Joe's, Whole Foods, and buy similar, no sugar added, hickory smoked, uncured bacon, it would likely cost you more than $5 a package. Probably upwards of $6 to $10, depending upon the brand. This is the same as the other. Gluten-free, MSG-free, lactose-free, vegetarian-fed, Whole30 approved, raised without antibiotics, and humanely. And the ingredients here are pork, water, salt, vinegar, citrus extract, pomegranate extract, and rosemary extract. 5 of these for $25. I say that's a deal. And here's my other ground turkey. I did get 2 of them. Now this is something I didn't particularly want, but they insisted on sending it to me. So these are 100% grass-fed burgers, and I didn't really care for the flavor of them. So I told them that, and they insisted that it didn't sound like the quality that they expect, and they said, we'll include more of those in your next order. I didn't particularly want them because I don't think it's a quality issue. I think it's just a taste issue, and I prefer the taste of Seven Sons for burgers, but I guess now we have 6 grass-fed burgers from the Butcher Box. I don't expect that these are going to be any different than the others that I didn't care for, but I guess we have them now. And the same here, they sent me 2 ribeyes because I didn't care for the flavor of the ribeyes. These are not as thick as the other ribeyes. They're longer, but they're not as thick as the ones I got last time from them. And I really just didn't care for them. These are 1.25 pounds, both of them together. Now we have them, and maybe we'll eventually eat them. And this is the turkey. The turkey was, I think, $49, and it's 14.75 pounds. Here we go. Oh, it has one of those oven stuffer roaster things in it. Wow, this is a heavy turkey. Okay, all natural, all vegetable diet, no preservatives, raised without antibiotics, complete traceability to farm, and all natural young turkey. Packed for the Butcher Box, less than 4% water. Wow, it's heavy. That's a pretty nice looking turkey. What do you guys think of this turkey? I know you can get a free turkey from the grocery store, but I don't shop in the grocery store these days enough to get that. And besides, that's like a butterball or something similar to that. And I'm sorry, but I really don't want to eat whatever's in there. So I trust this better, and I was really glad that I could get it shipped to me and didn't have to worry about going to the store. This is what it all looks like. It's a lot. I paid about $150 for this, but I did have some credits on my account. So normally this would cost about $260, and the meat fills my sink pretty well. So what do you think? Is this worth that value? Leave me a comment down below. Let me know. Also, I have a link to the Butcher Box in the description. I do get a little something if you click through my link, but you also get a discount. It's a great way to help support the channel so I can continue to make great content like this for you. So if you want to order from Butcher Box, go ahead and use that link in the description down below for your discount and to help the channel grow too. And if you like this video, please be sure to hit the like button and subscribe while you're at it, and tap that bell icon right next to it, because I do new videos every week. I do about 3 to 4 videos a week. At least one of them, sometimes more, is an unboxing video where sometimes I try out a new company I haven't tried before, or I get a delivery from a company I've been using, and you get to see what I got and tell me what you think of it. I also have some great nutrition and health content, and I just launched my 28-day transformation program, which you can get for only $97 right now. It's normally $297, but if you use promo code YouTube, and there's only limited number of those, and there's not very many left. So if you're interested in changing your diet, shaping up your body, there's a link in the description down below to my 28-day transformation program. And remember, use coupon code YouTube while you still can and save $200. You'll get 28 days of nutrition and meal planning and grocery guides for only $97. That's a pretty good deal. But remember, it's only for a limited time. So go ahead and do that right now. Thank you for watching. This is Amy. I will see you real soon. Bye.